Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, what we're going to do today, we're going to do some split sentences examples. So I'm going to create a function here called split sentence 1. So we're going to split the sentence on empty spaces. So we're going to create the variable called sentence here. I'm going to add a string to it. So this is hello everyone. Hello everyone, I love beer. Okay, just make that a little bit bigger for you. Right, a bit bigger. Okay, yeah, go on. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? So, right, we're going to create another variable called words. I'm going to assign it to sentence split. Okay. This is how we do it. Now what we do is we print words. Let's call this function called split sentences. Okay, let's save that. Let's run it. Oh, what's happened here? Split sentences. It's not defined. Okay, so split sentence 1. It's called not sentences. Okay, let's run that again. Okay, so we've split the sentences on the empty spaces here. Okay, let's just call this split sentence like that. Let's do it again. So this time what we're going to do, it's going to be split sentence. Rid of that. Just going to call it split sentence. Okay, and what we're going to do here, we're going to do phone number. Okay, and we're going to assign that to something like 109 345 987. Okay, so we're going to split this. I'm going to create a variable called split nums. I'm going to assign that to phone number dot split, and I'm going to split on this character here. Okay, so all we do now is we print split nums. You adjust that at the bottom, save it, run the program. Okay, so there you can see. Right, we're going to do the next one. We're going to split names on first and last name. So just knock that out. Full name is going to be equal to Johnny Wad. Okay, split names. Assign that to full name dot split. And we're going to print split name. Okay. Right, let's run it. here. So split the name. Should have been split name. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so we've split the name there. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to call this split count. Okay, so I'm going to doing it on the length here. So this is going to be sentence. I'm going to do this. Counting number of words. So we're going to count the number of words here. So I'm going to create a variable called words, assign it to sentence, split. So we're going to split those and count them. So that's going to be print the length of the words. Okay. Let's just run that. Okay, so it's told me, whoops, make that bigger. It's told me there are 4 words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and yes, indeed there are. So that's just about it. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.